Okay, Dr. Sauce, I have black trim exterior. What do I do?
Well, I would use our black trim marinade on your black trim on your exterior. It'll be good for your tires. It's good for if you have black door handles. Sometimes there's like little rubber trim around the car. The wiper cowl, that little spot between your hood and your windshield. And also depending between your doors, if that's a matte finish, you could put it on that as well. If it's a gloss finish, I would not put that on there because it's just going to just kind of be streaky and not really do anything for it. With that, I would probably put a wax or something of that sort on that if your black trim is glossy. But most black trim on these cars these days are like a matte or a satin finish. Our black trim marinade comes in this handy little bottle, and I would use that with a microfiber. Or if you're putting it on your tires, I would use our tangy tire sponge.